After a lengthy period of expansion, it reached a top of $3.40 before encountering opposition. This positive rise took place in just 2 weeks, and XRP was able to overcome the psychological resistance levels of 1 and 2. Even while investors are still worried about the market, analysts like S00N Defender believe that if the market gets up speed again, this level will be history. $3 will be permanently lost if this inclination comes to pass. The analyst went on to forecast that XRP will reach $5, the 261.5 Fibonacci extension level, if the bulls kept up their momentum. The resistance surrounding this trendline has been a continual obstacle for XRP, which has hindered its gains. On January 20, XRP surpassed the recently established barrier level of $3.20 to achieve a record high price of $33.36. The analyst predicts that XRP will eventually surpass the $3 psychological threshold if this trend persists. $3 will be permanently lost if this inclination comes to pass. If XRP makes a resurgence, it might break the trendline once more, even though it has invalidated the breakthrough above the dark defensive trendline. At the moment of writing, XRP is trading at $3, down 0.85% over the last day and 5.49% over the previous week. It would only take an 86% rise from the current level to meet the $5 target. The price prediction for XRP is stable as the cryptocurrency market continues to consolidate, despite claims that Ripple Labs has tried to undercut Bitcoin in the past. CoinMarketCap data indicates that XRP's daily trading volume has decreased by 40%. Comparatively speaking, nevertheless, this volume has performed significantly better than some of its rivals, much like the price action. In light of the reaction, whale holdings and regular investors are stepping up to preserve the coin's market reputation. Overall, it is anticipated that the price of XRP will remain beneficial. The decision is made by the investors who purchase the investment straight from the issuer. The investment contract's current status, on the other hand, retail investors lack the knowledge required to comprehend the connection between their anticipated earnings and Ripple's purported attempts to identify profitable commercial applications for its coin. The SEC has been unable to rescind its appeal in the Ripple case, and the court's reading of Ho may seriously jeopardize the securities law's objective of safeguarding investors. Has published a thorough analysis of the daily chart's price movement for XRP. With no notable movements above or below crucial resistance and support levels, the cryptocurrency today appears to be in a ranging phase. S00N Crypto claims that XRP is only ranging and that it would be wise to hold off until the price aligns with the yellow 21 EMA exponential moving average. As traders wait for additional information before committing to large holdings, this suggests a period of market consolidation. The analysis by S00N Crypto pinpoints a number of crucial XRP pricing points. According to the analyst, a daily closure above the key resistance level of $3.40 would serve as an ASIN invalidation point and shift the overall market picture in the direction of a favorable trend. The analyst indicated potential support levels on the downside, which are around $2.83 and $2.50, but where a slight price decline might take place before buyers enter the market. According to the analyst, a wick down to $2.50 is typical of the current market, particularly as XRP looks for balance. Additionally, the current price movement suggests a close relationship with the dynamic support and resistance indicator, the 21-day EMA. A price rally could be triggered whenever this moving average lines up with the price. The information demonstrates the market's ambiguity as XRP works to level off after a period of volatility. Several analysts predict a big breakout from the current market position. One well-known analyst has set a target of $8. The debate over Ripples has been going on for a while. A United States Court of Appeals has produced a calendar for the appeals filed in the case. Both parties have been asked by the appeals court to follow the set timetable. The appeal could be denied if they don't adhere to the rules. Brad Garlinghouse, CEO of Ripple Labs. By April 7, 2025, a docketing notice for appeals pertaining to the district's orders is the most current court filing. Court in the legal case of INRI Ripple Labs, Inc. This notice was issued by the United States Court of Appeals. The location is for the Ninth Circuit. Additionally, a scheduling order under the title Sostak v. Ripple Labs was granted by the court. The appellant in the XRP dispute submitted a second complaint alleging securities law violations against Ripple, XRP2, and CEO Brad Garlinghouse. It is important to note that the district court has ruled in favor of Ripple and its CEO Brad Garlinghouse. However, appeals court is currently considering a challenge to that decision. Furthermore, the court has asked that any pleas for relief be submitted by the parties individually. This court does not automatically receive the motions that were submitted with the district court's notice of appeal for filing. According to a scheduling order granted by the appeals court, Bradley Sostak, the person appealing, has until January 29th to finish the mediation questionnaire. Furthermore, the court has set March 6th as the date for filing the opening for an appeal. Short. This is a thorough explanation of the arguments against XRP2, Ripple Labs, and CEO Brad Garlinghouse in the XRP case. In the Ripple v. SEC lawsuit, this move might establish a precedent that needs to be adhered to. Brad Garlinghouse, CEO of XRP2 and Ripple Labs, will submit a brief in response to the appeals by April 7, 2025. By April 16, the company will submit its brief in the Ripple v. SEC case. This is an important point to keep in mind, according to a brief in the Second Circuit Court of Appeals. Additionally, in accordance with the time schedule sequence, the optional reply may be issued within 21 days of the answering short being filed. Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple, is likewise trying to resolve the problem. They are requesting that Sostak and the plaintiff class pay for the expenses incurred as a result of the ludicrous arguments. The cryptocurrency firm presented a bill of costs to the court following the district court's decision in their favor. The purpose of this statute was to seek compensation for lost time and funds during the legal proceedings. Securities violations. The primary plaintiff, Bradley Sostak, has appealed the case and filed the latest court filing in the Ninth Circuit of the United States Court of Appeals. The $210,591.52 in costs that were billed to the class plaintiffs concurrently prompted the appeal. Lawyers predict that the Trump administration will decide not to appeal, leading to the resolution or dismissal of Bitcoin matters in April or May. The whole quantity of XRP now held in escrow will be destroyed, according to the announcement. The XRP community may see a significant improvement if this occurs. At the moment, the burn rate is approximately 5,000 XRP per day, or more than 1.82 million XRP annually. Some analysts predict that up to 2,5,000 XRP will be burned per day, and many individuals think that this rate is rising. Ripple's escrow accounts are reportedly linked to this behavior. As of right now, Ripple Labs has declared its intention to repurchase over $1 billion worth of XRP from the existing supply. This is taking place concurrently with the current circumstance. Many people are therefore wondering whether Ripple's arrangement with the SEC has anything to do with this buyback and the possible escrow burn. In the event that Ripple burns off all of its XRP escrow, the value of XRP might rise significantly, possibly hitting $10,000 per coin. The repercussions of an escrow burn of this type would be disastrous. This feeling is more than just a potentiality. Because Ripple Labs is relying more and more on XRP and interacting with international partners, it might even be necessary. The value of XRP has been increasing quickly, and new reports, both public and leaked, show that it is spreading globally.